Hi everyone. So in this video we'll replace this boot of the air intake. Now this one, it is over the age you can see here a lot of cracks have started coming. I'll show you the other side. So not a big deal in any case because this is only such a short length, but to avoid any air pressure losses, what we'll do is we'll replace this. So what I've got here is an aftermarket boot from Bravo. Bravo makes a lot of rubber products. So this is a part number you can see here, and very cheap. I got this, I think, from Bootmo for about 100 rupees or so. Guys, so we'll replace this boot here. So very simple to do that. First, you'll have to remove the top cover, the filter, and the two hoses which connect to the engine cylinder right there, and the one from filter assembly to the carburetor. So once that's done, this assembly comes loose, and we'll loosen these Jubilee clips holding the boot. So it comes off like this, and you'll have to replace the whole thing. Now if you notice, there are a lot of small fine cracks which have come here. There you go. So good idea to have it replaced. You can see these will further get worsened as we drive the car, and due to the heat inside the engine bay. So always a good idea to change these rubber components from time to time to ensure that you don't get surprises midway through a journey. Now we have this new boot here. I tried sourcing the Maruti OEM, but OE boot, but I couldn't get hold of it. So there we go, a very nice and clean boot. So let's install this. First thing, we have to get this Jubilee clip inserted. Just that is all. So once that's done, you can insert it back here. Okay, once one side is done, you'll have to put it on the other side. That is all. Because it's a new boot, the rubber isn't a lot flexible, so once you do that, you can tighten it. Okay, so once that is done, you can secure all the units back in place. So that is done. We'll do a start and see if things are in order. Remember to get rid of any loose debris. So this is a replacement hose from Bravo, and this is the exploded parts diagram showing the hose. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.